I have a quick question for you. How would you pronounce this word? It's pronounced as lo. Lo. E-A-U is pronounced as O. Hi guys, in this video I will share my tips and tricks to help you improve your French pronunciation. I've used the content from this video to help my students and they have quickly improved their French pronunciation. The letter A is pronounced like A, like the letter A in the word father. Fa, A, la, pa, pa. And the combination A and I is pronounced like E, me, eme. AU is pronounced like O, show, auto. And the letter E is usually pronounced like E. You round up your lips like you say the letter O, but you say E, je, de. And EU combination has the same pronunciation as E. Bleu, bleu, de, EAU, pronounced as O, lo, po. Now let's see the letter I, which is pronounced like E, ami, ami. And another vowel is O, pronounced like O. And we have the combination O and I together, pronounced as wa, moi, toi, moi, toi. And the combination OU, pronounced as ou, soup, soup, nous and vous. This guy is very tricky. A lot of students struggle with it. U, not you, okay? So, U, like in the word mur, sur, d'accord? We have 5 accents in French, and the first one is l'accent aigu. We use this one only with the letter E. Without an accent, we pronounce this letter as E, but with l'accent aigu, we pronounce it as E, été, été. So basically, it's pronounced similarly to the word cake in English, but shorter and crisper. Été, café, thé. And the second one is l'accent grave. This accent is used with the following letters: A, E, U. L'accent grave doesn't change the pronunciation of the letter A and U, so we say la and U, but it changes the pronunciation of the letter E. The E is pronounced here similarly to the word pet in English, pet. So, très, très. And the next one is l'accent circonflexe. L'accent circonflexe. We use this one with all the vowel letters A, E, I, O, U. It usually doesn't change the pronunciation except again the letter E. It's pronounced like l'accent grave, the word pet, fête, fête. This one is used with the letters E, I, and U. We use it to indicate that 2 letters are pronounced separately, like in the word naïf, naïf. So we don't make combination here, A and E, we don't say E. And the last one is la cédille, la cédille. This accent is only used with the letter C, sound like the letter S in English when we say yes. So, ça, français, ça, français. This accent makes the letter C softer. So we don't say ka, but ça. So anytime you see an accent in French, it usually indicates a specific pronunciation or sound associated with that letter. Do you know how French people read this word? Not intelligent. They say intelligent, intelligent. Or this one. It's not discussion, it's discussion, discussion. We call this nasal vowels. And I think it's one of the most difficult parts of French pronunciation. In French, we have three nasal vowels, un, and on. With the nasal vowels, the air passes through the nose and the mouth. In oral vowels, the air passes only through the mouth. Let's start with the most common nasal sound, un. So to make this sound, you need to make your mouth like you smile, and then you drop your chin. Un, un. And keep your tongue flat at the bottom of your mouth. Pain, vin. You can find this nasal sound in various syllables. Let's continue with un, un. To make this sound, you need to open your mouth as if you are making the sound a, un, enfant, enchanté. And the third one is on. On. To make this sound, open up your mouth as if you are making the sound O. On, bon, ton, oncle. I covered nasal vowels in one of my previous videos, so if you want to practice more, make sure to check it out. Why don't French people pronounce half of the letters? Actually, that's not entirely true. French people pronounce a lot of letters, but there is a rule around this that we call silent letters. In French, the final letter is usually silent. Trois, petit, long. Trois, petit, long. So you see, here we don't pronounce the final consonant. And final E is also silent. Livre, active, commode. Elle aime la danse. Elle aime la danse. However, there are a few exceptions. I call this careful rule because the letters C, R, F, and L are usually pronounced. Avec, par, sportif, salle. Avec, par, sportif, salle. In French, as in many languages, we like linking the words to sound more natural. Even though in many French words, the final consonant is silent, if there is a word starting with a vowel after them, we pronounce them. Let me show you an example. Nous, here we don't pronounce S, right? But we say nous avons. Nous, nous avons. Vous, vous avez. Vous, vous avez. So here S is pronounced like Z. Des amis. Des amis. We sometimes have X, which is pronounced like Z. De nouveaux étudiants. De nouveaux étudiants. De vieux amis. De vieux amis. The letter D is pronounced like T. Un grand ami. Un grand ami. Un grand animal. Un grand animal. Let's see some phrases. Ils ont des amis. Ils ont des amis. Nous avons de bons amis. Nous avons de bons amis. So here are 5 pronunciation rules to master French pronunciation. Vowels and combinations, accents, nasal vowels, silent letters, and liaison. I hope you found these rules and tips useful. If you like this lesson, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more learning tips and lessons. If you would like to take your pronunciation to the next level, check out my courses in the description. See you in one of my courses.